Hello, friends. So, as we know, I ordered this bundle from the Heather Ross Studio sale. I'm wondering if anybody else got this bundle and is just wondering about the texture and maybe some of the yellows or how it's printed. This is the original print, and then this is the studio. And you can't quite tell, but the yellow is more speckly. This is like more solid. This seems more textured. And the thickness of the fabric is different too. Is that just from a different print? How the fabric was printed, or was this printed through Windham? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. How do other people feel about it? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know how I should feel.